Here's some breaking news coming in. BJP leader Kirit Somaiya attacks Uddhav Thackeray over the Array car shed shifting, says this will cost additional 5,000 crore rupees and that the project will also be delayed by 5 more years. He also accused Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray of misleading people. Here's politics over the Array forest. The car shed, which Uddhav Thackeray now is mulling over moving out, considering it's a forest area. He wants to avoid deforestation in the vicinity there. It was a prolonged fight and protests that ensued not to cut down trees in the Array forest to make way for any sort of developmental works. Now Uddhav Thackeray taken a decision to move the metro car shed as well out of the Array forest to elsewhere. And now the BJP leader accusing Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray of misleading people, saying that this will cost an additional 5,000 crore rupees. Here is now politics brewing over Array Forest. The Array Forest car shed now to be moved out from Array Forest. The metro car shed to be moved out to another place, another location, as Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray says that he is honouring all those protests against deforestation in the area.
मेट्रो आरे कार शेड हटाने के कारण 5,000 करोड़ रुपया एडिशनल कॉस्ट आने वाली है। यह प्रकल्प 5 साल अब लंबा हो जाएगा। हर एक मेट्रो कार ट्रेन पार्क करने के लिए 8 किलोमीटर घूम कर आना पड़ेगा, यानी रोज का 8 किलोमीटर का एडिशनल ऑपरेशन कॉस्ट, 8 किलोमीटर एडिशनल मेट्रो कार जो ट्रैक नया डालना पड़ेगा।
Mustafa Sheikh joining us live for more details. Mustafa, take us through the politics now brewing over the Array car shed that's now going to be moved out of Array forest area to elsewhere, because Uddhav Thackeray says that he wants to avoid tree cutting. There were huge protests as well, but here's the BJP saying that this is a tactic of Uddhav Thackeray, considering this takes an additional 5,000 crore rupees. What's the fact really?
Last year it was a political, basically there was a war of word between BJP and Shiv Sena when they were in government over Array forest tree cutting. The trees were cut to have a car shed there. 1 year after that, when the Uddhav Thackeray government is in power, they have declared the entire RF area as a forest land, and hence there is no construction which can take place there. So the car shed which was going to be built there is now being built at Kanjurmarg area. The Kanjurmarg area is one the BJP didn't want to go with because they were saying it will be additional cost involved. But the fact remains that the environmental committee report on the entire metro thing had also suggested Kanjurmarg as one of the area, keeping in mind environmental consequences of RA, and hence they had said that a small car shed can be built in RA, but a larger car shed should be built in Kanjurmarg. 2 metro lines should be merged and connected so that the car shed can be at Kanjurmarg. So Uddhav Thackeray government has now taken this decision after a political controversy, and they have decided that it will be in Kanjurmarg. It's likely that it will be opposed by the BJP. Back to you.
Right. Thank you very much, Mustafa. Do stay with us for more.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.